Hey guys, my name's Kandell. I'm the president of Low VA Rates. Now, if you please will just watch maybe a 2 to 3 minute video. I promise to get straight to the point, but I personally wanted to take the time to film this today, and I'm hoping that you're watching this because you're working with one of our amazing VA loan officers. Now, you're going to look up here on the screen and you're going to see not so good credit. Well, what are we talking about today? And the reason you're getting this email is because we want to get you approved for a VA mortgage. Whether you're buying your first home, which is awesome, or whether you're trying to refinance and pay off some debt that just has you weighed down and strapped, we want to help you. And you're getting this because your credit's not the best. There's no harm in that. No big deal. Here's the reality. You've probably gone to some of our competitors, and there's some good competitors out there. But the reality is, most of the big companies and lots of the small companies, if you have a score that is below a 620, they don't even talk to you, okay? They might talk to you, but they are not going to consider giving you a mortgage. And that's frustrating. We do not do that. Let me tell you what, they've probably also misled you a little bit to make you think that's a VA rule. It isn't. The VA, and we here at Low VA Rates, have absolutely no minimum FICO score or credit score requirement. We don't care what your score is. That does not mean, however, you're going to get a loan just because. This is where I need you to really pay attention. There are 3 things that you need to do from this moment forward so that we can get you approved for this loan regardless of this not so good credit. Number 1, you need to explain the derogatory items on your credit report. Now, your loan officer who sent you this email has likely listed or gone over with you a list of issues that are in your past credit history. Late payments on credit cards, foreclosures, repos on cars, maybe past due collection accounts. Anything that's negative is considered derogatory. You've got to take the time to explain those if you want us to take the time to approve your loan. So spend some time explaining your derogatories, okay? The second thing you need to do, you need to tell a story, okay? Now, I'm not talking about a fictional story here. I'm talking about factual, autobiography, if you will. Tell us a story. You know, we've seen people with absolutely horrible credit get approved for loans at Low VA Rates because we're empathetic. We're humans. We understand the needs of our veterans, and there are situations that cause past credit issues. Okay, and that story is important to us. It needs to be truthful, but what caused those late payments a couple years ago? Why did you miss that mortgage payment? What caused the bankruptcy? And just as important in your story, what has changed? Why should we give you that loan now? Put it out there. Tell us a story. This is important. I've gotten pages, 3 to 4 full pages of handwritten stories from borrowers that have really helped us make a solid decision. Please tell us your story. And then third, work at this, okay? Listen, keep in mind you're asking us to give you a mortgage in spite of all these derogatories, and we want to. But what we know about our veterans is they know what work ethic is. They know that to get things in life, it takes some sacrifice and takes some effort. That's all we're asking you to do. You spend 10 to 15 minutes amongst all of this, and you get it back to your loan officer quickly, we are going to be able to make a solid decision and help you get into this mortgage. We look forward to doing it. We are different than everybody else. We are here to help you.